Hello students, we're going to work on rounding to the nearest hundred using a number line. So we're going to round 438 to the nearest hundred. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the hundreds the number is between and place them on a number line. So 438 will be between 400 and 500. Let's put those on our number line. And now I'm going to go to number 2. Type the number that is exactly between these hundreds. So what's halfway between them? 450. Then third, we're going to put the number on the number line. So where would 438 go? So on this number line, each of these lines is counting by 10. So 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, and so on. So 438 will be between 430 and 440, but it's going to be much closer to 440. So we'll leave it right there. Now I need to think about which hundred the number is closer to. So 438 is closer to 400. That means that 438 rounds to 400. Now I want to show you one more. So let's look at how to round a 4-digit number to the nearest hundred. So we're looking at 1,439. Now I need to figure out which one of these hundreds 1,439 would be between. So if I have a 4 in the hundreds place, then the first one will be 1,400. And then what would come after that? 1,500. So what number is exactly halfway between those two? I know I'm going to have a 1 in the thousands place, 400, and then I'll have 50. So halfway between is 1,450. Now I need to think about where this number would go. So each of these again is counting by tens. So 1,410, 1,420, 1,430, 1,440, 1,450. So this would go over here between 1,430 and 1,440, but it's much closer to 1,440. So I want to make sure I represent that. Get that dot close to that line, but not quite on it. So now I need to think which of the hundreds that number is closer to. And it's closer to this one. So it rounds to 1,400. Have fun working on these slides and practicing rounding to the nearest hundred on a number line.